Good afternoon, dear business colleagues. My name is Alondra Ortiz. Today, I want to present and discuss with you an issue of how empty lots or abandoned buildings are affecting our business and city. Well, let's talk about the effects and how to solve the situation. Here is the agenda for our presentation. Statistical data shows that Oklahoma ranks 17th in the nation with a vacancy rate of 13.85%, with a total of 245,525 vacant units. This image shows an empty lot not being currently used, restricting the ability of development, but we could use it to build a parking lot for our business or a recreational area to improve the quality of life in the city. Other things we can build in the lot selected are places to eat, safety facilities, and others listed here. Building new things in the empty lot can increase property value, improve quality of living, attract new people to move into the area, and increase tourism. Some negative effects of empty lots or abandoned buildings are increased fire hazard, increment of arson crimes, criminal activities inside and around the property, illegal use of drugs, reduction of property value in the area, and much more. The empty lot and abandoned building situation can be fixed by creating a tracking system for empty lots and buildings, building a reporting line or website, and developing maintenance ordinances and laws. Other possible solutions could be cutting red tape for the demolition process, offering tax on monetary incentives for building renovation, and writing standards for lot owners' responsibilities that are clear. In conclusion, abandoned buildings and empty lots can harm businesses and the economy. Still, proper management, planning, laws, and regulations can help reduce the adverse effects and improve the economy and quality of life. These are the references I used for the presentation. And here are the questions. Thank you.